Hi all, in this video we are going to look at Redgear game controller. About the design and bit quality of this Redgear gaming controller, it got nice design, that's very good design, especially due to the red as well as the backlit keys. And about the build quality, it is also very good. I didn't face any issue or I didn't find any problem to this controller. Build quality is fine. Next, about the comfort of using this game controller. The game controller is going to be little bit uncomfortable on your hands because the controller is small and the legs of the controller is also small, so it will feel little bit uncomfortable using this controller if you got large hands. But if you change your way of holding this controller, it will feel comfortable to use. Frankly speaking, it is the only downside of getting this Redgear controller, and I felt that uncomfortable issue while using the controller. So now about the usability, software and all that sort of things about this controller. One of the things that astonished me on this controller is that there is two ways by which you can connect this controller to your laptop or PC. First one is the direct mode and the second one is the X direct mode. Direct mode means it will connect your controller as Redgear controller, so your PC will detect it as Redgear controller. While in the X direct mode, your PC will detect this Redgear controller as Xbox controller. So it's very good because some of the games work very good by using the Xbox controller mode, as the direct mode does not work well with some games. So providing direct mode natively is a very good thing, because if you were to manually change the direct control mode to Xbox control mode by using softwares, it will be a very big issue. I personally tried that with my older controllers, so I am sharing that. So natively providing this X direct mode is a very good thing, and for this purpose only I will get this controller. So it's that good and it is giving that much of easiness while using the controller. About the vibration provided by this controller, I didn't feel any big thing about the vibration. It feels normal. Next, about the charging time. While using the controller and charging, it took about 5 to 6 hours to completely charge the controller. And the battery life, I will just post it here. So that's all about this video, guys. The Redgear gaming controller, I personally don't find any problem except for the comfortability issue. Apart from that, it's very good and easy to use controller. So that's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.